Before you're trying to do this drill, it's very important that you can bring your hip all the way up to the bridge. If you can, you're going to be working on bringing the arm towards your hip. When you can get the arm close enough to the hip, where I can just sit my hip on top of my elbow, I'll just keep drilling that on both sides. Note that when I bring my arm, I put my head down the floor as well, just to spread the weight through the head, my wrist, and my shoulders, so it's not so heavy on the wrist. And you keep drilling this as much as you can until it's comfortable and very natural for you to move and put your weight on top of your elbow without hurting or feeling any discomfort on your wrist, shoulder, or any other part of your body. The more you do this, the more you can develop that flexibility, and don't try to rush through this. It's very important that this works well before you can move on to the next phase. Once you can comfortably put your weight on top of your elbow, try to stay there for a couple of seconds to build up the confidence and also build up the strength required for you to be able to push to the next phase. So don't rush, make sure you understand the step, and I see you on the next phase.